A weird set point shocker flushes 1 pound of fat every 24 hours. Learn exactly what to do to start losing 10, 20, even 30 pounds of pure, raw fat, right from your own home. This is brand new and extremely controversial, and it goes against what everyone is telling you when it comes to fast and sustainable weight loss. A rare new purple tea recipe from deep in the jungles of Kenya flushes the fat away, without completely changing your diet, without giving up your favorite foods forever, and without hours of backbreaking cardio that kills your knees and ruins your joints. Basically, everyone who drank purple tea lost way more weight, a lot more belly fat, and their waists shrunk, even though they weren't exercising or on some crazy calorie-controlled diet. It helps reverse the biochemical patterns that have slowed down your metabolism, so you can quickly break through your set point and lose 15, 30, even 50 or more pounds. You can finally forget about all the different diets, the confusing weight loss plans, and the backbreaking workouts. Don't miss your chance. This is the only rapid fat-burning formula that uses the hidden power of purple tea to lower your set point. Click the link below this video and learn more about this new and rare purple tea recipe.